afternoon. Happy Sunday. Afternoon, morning, or evening, wherever you are located. Wishing you a great day. Just thought I'd show you around. A little bit of a walking tour here in the Humber Bay Shores area. Humber Bay, Etobicoke, part of the GTA, Toronto. And I thought I'd just show you some of the things in front of me as I'm walking by. Public Library, Humber Bay branch. This library was closed for quite a long time during the whole entire pandemic. It has recently reopened. Their computers are opened as well. Limited space, but it still is usable. It's a nice small branch. Humber Bay branch. And of course with Wi-Fi. Oh, and here is a public message center for people to post things. There is a missing cat here. Some people display their business services, which is kind of nice. Yeah, it's a really beautiful day. The leaves are starting to turn just very slightly on the trees. The temperature is perfect. It's not humid or hot. My guess is it's around maybe 25 degrees Celsius, but it's gorgeous. Continue walking here. Just a perfect day for walking, really. Gorgeous weather. And again, no real humidity at all. It's just lovely. The sun is shining nice. Beautiful clouds in the sky. Not too many. Beautiful blue skies too. So we'll continue walking straight. I didn't quite get the name of the street I'm walking on, but once I get down to it, you will be able to see it. Let's see. Looks like it's called Behaviour Drive. Okay. Someone's spitting out some ancient, looks like it could be 1950s style, maybe a kitchen table and chairs. They look like they're in good shape. Looks like she's just leaving them there. Nice. Let's go take a peek. Looks like it's in good shape. Yes, I'm currently on Lorne Avenue and Behaviour Drive in South Etobicoke. Here in Canada and in Toronto, we have so many beautiful trees, as I'm sure you do where you're from. But we have a lot of northern trees here. Pine trees, spruce trees, maple, oak, poplar, cedar, so many trees, really. And of course, those ginkgo biloba trees I was filming for you guys recently too. I was so surprised to see there are so many ginkgo biloba trees. Okay, now we are heading towards a park. This is called Jeff Healey Park. He was a singer. I do remember him from the 80s. Guys, I just wanted to say it actually is the Jeff Healey Park I mentioned earlier, and the famous song he had was called Angel Eyes from 1988. He's a local Canadian artist, unfortunately no longer with us, but his song will always be remembered, and this is his park. This park is really beautiful. There is a peaceful creek. I think it might be the Etobicoke Creek, and I will show you. It's very beautiful, very peaceful, very quiet and tranquil, as you can see. Really, really nice. You can check the other side. Sometimes there are ducks. Oh, there's a few ducks here. That's great. Nice. And this is the park. I think some children sometimes play baseball at the other end. I think there's a baseball diamond. And then there is a area to do some drumming and xylophoning, which is nice. And some swings for the children, play area. Well, thanks for watching my video. I hope you have a great rest of your Sunday. Toodles!